Hello students, welcome to Geography class of 8th standard. As we are doing Natural Vegetation and Wildlife of India, so far we have discussed about the types of vegetation, in which we have discussed tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, tropical thorn forest and scrubs, and mangrove forest of India. The objective of the topic are to study about the mountain forest or alpine vegetation and importance of forest, which is given on your page number 116 to 117 of your geography book. Let's start with the mountain forest or alpine vegetation. These forests are found in the areas of average temperature less than 20 degrees Celsius or in cool areas at an altitude of 1500 meter to 3300 meter. They occur in the areas getting rainfall between 150 to 250 centimeter. In the north, they occur in the temperate zone of Himalayas from Kashmir to Assam at varying altitude. In the south, they are found in Nilgiris and Andamalai hills at an elevation between 1000 meter to 1500 meter. Let's start with the book reading. Students, take out your page number 116, Mountain Forest or Alpine Vegetation. These forests are found in the mountainous areas of India. The mountain forests are found in the Himalayan mountains. These forests experience humid and temperate climate. It receives rainfall of about 75 cm to 100 cm and is closely related to altitude. Altitude means the height above the mean sea level. A wide range of species of this vegetation is found in the mountains according to the variation in height. The moist deciduous forests are found at the foothills of Shivaliks between 1000 meter to 2000 meter of elevation. At an altitude of 1500 meter to 3000 meter, the coniferous forests are found. The trees that are conical in shape are called coniferous trees. The alpine vegetation is found above 3500 meter up to permanent snow line. Sal, oak, chestnut, fir, pine, deodar, fir, spruce, etc. are the most significant trees of this forest. Next point is importance of the forest. Forests are useful in many ways. Plants absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen. A large forest cover is therefore very important for maintaining a balance between these gases. Plants also absorb water and release moisture into the air. Thus, they help in cloud formation, which leads to rainfall. Besides, the roots of the trees hold on to soil. This prevents soil erosion. Soil erosion means removal of soil by wind and water. Forests also give us many useful things, including wood, bamboo, fruits, oils, dyes, gums, medicines, and so on. Come back to the reading again. Importance of forest. The forests are the natural gift for human beings. They play a very significant role in our life. The forests are advantages for human beings in various aspects. The plant release oxygen that we breathe. Also, they help us by absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. The forests provide a variety of products such as timber for furniture, fuel, wood, fodder, medicinal plants and herbs, fruits, beeswax, honey, turpentine oil, larch, gum, etc. Larch is a dark red sticky substance taken out from the trees like palash and kusum. The forest provides shelter for the wild animals. There are various hill stations in these forests which attract a large number of tourists. Hence, they are helpful in earning great revenue for the government. Revenue means income. The forest serves as a place for recreation. Recreation means activity done for enjoyment. They help in precipitation by supplying moisture through the process of transpiration. Precipitation means form of water from the atmosphere. Transpiration means the release of water from plants. The forests provide shelter for the tribal people. They increase the fertility of soil by adding humus. Humus means the organic component of soil which makes soil fertile. Students, forests are the natural wealth of a country, a need to be protected. At one time, forests in India covered a large area. But cutting down trees for wood and clearing forests for cultivation and housing have greatly reduced this cover. Come back to the reading again. Thus, the forests are very useful for us, but this natural vegetation is being destroyed due to reckless cutting of trees. Reckless means rash. So, we should take care of our forest and adopt the following measures in this regard. We should plant more and more trees. We should protect the existing trees. We should make people aware of the importance of trees. We should take initiatives in special programs like Van Mahotsav so that more and more people could be involved in making our earth green. So, students, this is all about our today's topic. Hope you understand well. We will meet very soon. Till then, you have to revise this and solve the back exercise. Take care. Have a nice day. Thank you.